Hello parents, I'm Leena Bandil, drawing teacher. In my teaching journey of 20 years, I observe that God bless each child with ultimate creativity, which can be shaped and nurtured with proper guidance and motivation. And we did exactly same in our online classes very successfully. Thousands of parents gave feedback that they were able to observe drastic improvement in not only creative skill but even in behavior. And credit goes to our stories. We connect each new artwork with our stories, which are completely based on good habits and moral values. So without delay, please click on the link below and register your classes quickly.
मदर्स डे स्पेशल कार्ड है, इसके ऊपर आप हैप्पी मदर्स डे लिख लेना और अंदर अपनी मम्मा के लिए एक अच्छा सा मैसेज। और इस फ्लावर बुके पे थोड़ा सा परफ्यूम डालना नहीं भूलना, तभी तो इन फ्लावर्स में से खुशबू आएगी ना। It will become dusky. And see, these I'm using very light color. Don't go for dark and sleeping lines. You will not. And here also, see. इसमें कलरिंग करेंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम, ठीक है? और कलरिंग आप अपने प्लास्टिक क्रेयॉन्स रेडी रखना. Now we will just cut the face. See. You must be thinking why I made this much big trunk. And you must. D-A-D. Right? Love you, Dad. Now I will make this heart with red color. Okay, I will color it red. And you can put different colors for making this stripe colorful. You are best, Dad. Simple. धीरे धीरे हर किसी की लाइफ में कोई ना कोई फेरी होती है. Small start. They're very smooth. It gives. These are coconut trees, so leaves will be a little bigger. Slowly. And what happens, students, when I add